Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting that's taking Pakistan by storm, TikTok Shop. If you've ever dreamed of earning money right from your phone, just by creating content you love, then you need to stick around. We're talking about passive income through TikTok's affiliate marketing program, and I'm going to break down exactly how you can get started and turn your creative spark into actual cash. Ready to become a TikTok Shop pro? Let's get into it. First things first, let's get you set up. To become a TikTok Shop affiliate in Pakistan, the process is surprisingly simple. Open your TikTok app and go to your profile. You should see a TikTok Shop icon. If you don't, make sure your app is updated. Tap on it, and you'll find the option to enter the Creator Center. From there, look for the TikTok Shop for Creator option. You'll need to meet a few basic requirements, like having a certain number of followers. But once you're eligible, just follow the on-screen instructions to apply. You'll need to provide some basic information. And once approved, you'll have access to a marketplace full of products you can promote. Congratulations! You're officially a TikTok Shop affiliate. Now for the fun part, finding products that will actually sell. This is crucial. You don't want to promote just anything. You want to find winning products. A great strategy is to look for what's already trending. Scroll through your For You page and see what kinds of products other creators are successfully promoting. Look for items with lots of engagement and positive comments. Another tip is to focus on products with high commission rates. In your affiliate dashboard, you can filter products by commission percentage. Also, think about your own audience. What are they interested in? If your content is about beauty, look for makeup or skincare. If it's about tech, find cool gadgets. The key is to find products that genuinely solve a problem or are super appealing to your specific viewers in Pakistan. Okay, you've got your account and you've found a great product. How do you actually sell it? Through compelling content, of course. This is where your creativity comes in. The worst thing you can do is a hard sell. Instead, integrate the product naturally into your videos. For example, if you're promoting a skincare product, create a Get Ready With Me video and show how you use it in your daily routine. If it's a kitchen gadget, make a quick recipe video showcasing how it makes life easier. Use trending sounds and effects to boost your video's visibility. The goal is to show the product in action and highlight its benefits without it feeling like a commercial. Be authentic, be yourself, and show genuine enthusiasm for the product. People buy from creators they trust. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to level up and maximize your earnings. This is where advanced strategies come into play. First, dive into your analytics. TikTok provides amazing data on who's watching your videos and how they're performing. Use this information to understand what's working and what's not. Double down on the content styles that are driving sales. Second, consider collaborations. Partner with other creators to cross-promote products and reach a wider audience. This can be incredibly powerful. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with TikTok ads. You can put a small budget behind your best performing affiliate videos to push them to even more potential customers. By analyzing, collaborating, and promoting, you can transform your small side hustle into a serious source of income. So, there you have it, a complete roadmap to start earning with TikTok Shop affiliate marketing right here in Pakistan. We've covered everything from setting up your account to finding winning products, creating amazing content, and even some advanced strategies to boost your income. The opportunity is massive, and it's all about taking that first step. Don't just watch others succeed. Join them. I encourage you to get started today. Apply what you've learned and begin your own affiliate marketing journey. You've got this. Thanks so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.